Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can change the username of your Reddit app. So first of all, open the app. Once open, tap on the upper left corner of the screen. Then you will see your option with my profile. Tap on it. Now once this page is opened up, tap on the edit option which is right beside your username. Now type your display name here, but let me tell you, so if you want to change your username you need to create a new Reddit account, but you can always create a display name and that will be shown on your profile. So this will be your display name. So as I've mentioned earlier, if you want to change username on the Reddit app, you need to create a new account. Therefore the display name will only work for you. Now after you have written a new display name, tap on the save option. So that will be my display name. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.